Hello everybody, welcome to our science lesson today, animals including humans, and we're going to focus on exercise. This is our final part of our science learning. So what we're going to look at, going to give reasons why humans need to exercise, that you can gather information and use it to answer a question. At the end, hopefully you can say why humans need to exercise, and you can say one effect that exercise has on the human body. Hopefully you can record information about exercise and that you can use the information to answer questions. So why is it important? Because we always talk about exercise and we love being healthy and exercising in school. We do PE, we do lots of sport, and we do our 1K a day. Well, children exercise all the time without even thinking about it, even your break times. Anything that makes your body work hard, like when you're running around, is a kind of exercise. Also, playing sports, dancing, walking, jumping on a trampoline, riding your bike, all of those things are exercising. When you exercise, you're helping your body to build you're helping yourself to build a strong body that will be able to move around and do all the things you need to do. Be active every day and your body will thank you, especially when you get a little bit older like us, your parents. Well, why is it important? Exercise makes your heart happy. And we'll have a look at when you exercise, what happens to your heart. You may know that your heart is a muscle, and here is a picture. And I know sometimes we have wonderful love hearts and we think, oh, that's a heart. Well, this is actually what your heart looks like in your body. It's a muscle, and it works by pumping blood every day of your life. All of the time, you'll be able to feel your heart beating. Exercise can get your heart pumping, and it will make it pump faster and also increase your breathing. When you give your heart this kind of workout on a regular basis, your heart will get even better, as its main job is to get the oxygen around your body. You breathe it in through your lungs and your heart pumps it around your body through your blood. Why is it important? Well, it helps us to get strong muscles. Exercise that makes your muscles work hard also makes your muscles stronger. This type of exercise builds strength. By using your muscles to do powerful things, you can make them stronger. Exercises that stretch your muscles help your body become more flexible, and here's an example of a gymnast. Being flexible is having a full range of motion, which means you can move your arms and legs freely without any tightness or pain. And as you get older, that becomes more tricky. So let's recap. Exercise makes your heart happy. Exercise makes your muscles stronger. Exercise can help you be more flexible. Exercise can help us keep the balance. So we talked about healthy foods last week. All food and some drinks contain something called calories, which is a good thing. Your body needs amounts of calories every day to keep going and for your energy. If you're active, your body uses up more calories. And if you're not, you don't need as many. Whatever your calorie is or your intake, if you eat enough to meet your need, your body weight will stay the same. But if you eat more than your body needs, then you have excess calories. You've got more than you need. And then that's where it can be stored as excess fat and you might put on more weight. Certainly as you get older, that's one of the things that can happen. So exercise is important because it keeps our weight about the same or stable. This is one of the most important things, especially now. Really, exercise, it makes you feel good. It's good to have a strong, flexible body that can do all the activities that you enjoy doing, like running, jumping, playing with your friends. It's also fun to learn new skills, like riding a bike, learning to swim. But actually, exercising puts you in a really good mood. When you exercise, your brain releases a chemical which makes you feel happier. We call those endorphins. So you might think, oh, I've done some exercise, and you feel really good after it. And I know I certainly feel like that when I've been exercising or go out on a run. I think, oh yeah, I feel really good now. So why is it important? Discuss these things with your family, or a brother, a sister, or a partner. What kind of exercise do you enjoy doing? What are your favourite things? Is there any new kinds of exercise that you would like to learn? Do you exercise, keep active every day? How do you do that? So, it says with your partner, it might be on your own, it might be with a brother or a sister. Think of 5 exercises you could do in a minute. These exercises might just use your body, or you could use equipment. That's at home or in school, but what could you use 5 exercises? One example could be jumping on the spot. Another example could be star jumps. They don't need any equipment. Or you could think of ones that do need equipment. Have a think. Once you've thought of your exercises, try doing them yourself. How many can you do in a minute? So, for my example there, jumping up and down on the spot. So, I will call it jumping exercise. What do? I jump up and down on a spot. How many times can you do it in a minute? Well, I would do it the first time and count it. What happens to your body? Well, my heart increases, my breathing increases. Then I could think of my next exercise, star jumps. What do? You stand on the spot, do a star jump. Your legs go out, your arms go out. How many can you do in a minute? Well, I'll record that. What happens to my body? You do that with all 5 of your exercises. Exploring exercise questions. So we can have a look at this sheet, and there's some words at the bottom to help us. Let's look at these words. Fit, faster, quickly, stronger, tired, healthy. So you can answer these questions linked into your sheet like this one. Which exercise could you do the most in 1 minute? Which exercise did you enjoy or like the best? Which exercise did you feel was the hardest? How does exercise make your body feel? So you can write a sentence, don't forget your capital letters and full stops, and you can maybe use some description in there just to make it a bit more interesting. And here's some sentences that we can use the word bank to help us. Humans need exercise because it keeps their heart. It's not going to be heart faster, is it? Okay, so you're going to work it out. Exercise makes your muscles something. It uses up calories and keeps your body something. So you work out what those words from the word bank fit in there. You don't need to make up your own words here, guys. You just use the words from our word bank. I'm not going to tell you them because it's your activity to do. But if you're unsure, look back at the video, look at the slides that we'll put on for you, and you should be able to find out the answers to those questions. Being more active. Children of your age should be doing 60 minutes of activity every day. That's an hour. Sounds like a lot, but don't forget, lots of fun things count as exercise. Trampolining, running around, going on your bike. So can you think of 3 activities that you do that counts towards your 60 minutes a day? One example is in school is our break times. Here's some ideas. Did you think of any more? So we've got riding a bike, playing, running around, walking to school, walking the dog, playing in the playground, roller skating, dancing, swimming, running, gymnastics, football, rugby, karate, all sorts of things that can help us keep active. Think of some ways that you can be more active in the week ahead. What can you do? So hopefully here you've had an understanding of giving reasons why we need to exercise, the benefits it has, linking to our heart and our breathing and getting stronger. That you can gather information to answer a question. That you can say why humans need to exercise and what effect it has on the human body. And hopefully on those sheets you've recorded the information about exercise and you've used the information to answer questions. Hope you enjoyed year 2. Keep active. Take care.